Guys, now we can see on our natural gas, by the way. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you find any of this our video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Now on our natural gas, we are still on a massive downtrend. If you are to apply your 10 period moving average, it is still downward. It is below our 10 period moving average. And one rule about trading moving average is that once your price is below 10 period moving average, do not look for a buy. And as we can see, it is below our daily time frame, so it is still actually a sell position. But I note one thing, that is that our price has actually hit this our support area here. You can see we had a support here. We can see we had a support here, and definitely our price has come to this our support area here. So we should be aiming for a buy position, right? But I doubt so for the week. I still believe, I personally, but it depends on how the price will plays out. I still believe our natural gas will still be falling, see, around this our area here, which is about 5.409. We are currently trading at 6.35 or something, 6.3 something. I believe our natural gas should actually be falling on my daily time frame about 5.4 plus before we can actually aim to go buy on our natural gas. Exactly what I believe might happen. Of course, as I'm telling you, of course, we can actually see that reverse movement upward. I'm not telling you that we can't actually get that reverse movement. We can actually see that, push up, by the way. By the way, that is exactly. So don't say, oh, we are supposed to still go down more, you lose, but still watch out. So before you actually take your buy position, I possibly be waiting for a buy, but I would want my price to actually fall here before I consider taking a buy. But if my price does not fall there and it's actually starting to give me this buy position, how will I know and how will I get into this trade? Is that you go straight to your 30 minutes time frame. When you see multiple break or structure upward, probably be about 4 to 5 times, then I would say take your buy position. As you can see, push up, break down, retrace, structure, break or structure one, break our previous higher highs, it's about to retrace, that is structure two. If you can get about 2 or 3 more structure upward, then I'll say it is actually a good opportunity to take your buy. Possibly let our price breaks above here. But I don't think so it will be happening. I believe our price has hit this area here, our key level here, we should be seeing a fall. But if in case we don't see that fall and it is going up, then wait for a multiple break or structure upward about 4 to 5 times, then actually take your buy on your 30 minutes time frame. So that is my analysis for the week. I'm still aiming for a fall personally before I actually consider taking a buy position on my natural gas for the week. So thank you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.